Hello everybody, my name is Kyle and this is PC Tech and Gaming, and today we're here to discuss our good old friend the RTX 3080, or you could say the GeForce RTX 3000 series in general. And of course the extremely bumpy launch that it's had, in the way that it pretty much launched and then on day one there's pretty much no stock for anyone to buy. I myself was also caught up in this, and yeah, I just thought I'd make a bit of a video discussing my frustrations around this. And also, I thought I'd also do a bit of a spoof unboxing, because I do have in front of me here a box that a Gigabyte GeForce RTX 3080 did live in. When I say did live in, I mean somebody who was not me bought this card and had it installed into a pre-made system. And while I was in my local PC store today, they said, hey, do you want an empty RTX 3080 box? So far this is as close as I've gotten to getting one of these cards, is an empty box that one used to inhabit. So I thought we might do a little bit of a empty unboxing, which I'm just going to do really quickly here. So that's obviously the front of the box, the back of the box, the sides of the box, and now we're going to have a look in the box, which of course is not going to be very much. You're going to open, we've got the nice Gigabyte logo there, and if we turn this around, you can see we have that there, and take that off, and that's where the card itself would live. And there's nothing under that. And what do we have here? We have some leftover bits and pieces from the box. We have a warranty card, we have a quick user guide, and we have probably the most coolest looking bit of paper in this box, the warranty card. Actually no, that was a warranty card. Okay, so it's got two warranty cards. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not really going to say too much about the specs of this card, because obviously this is a bit of a fake dummy unboxing, because the only thing I'm unboxing really is the thin air, or the space in which a 3080 used to occupy this box. So when the computer shop said to me, do you want to keep this box or do you want to have it, I was like, yeah, might as well. I can chuck it up behind me somewhere when I'm recording. Despite the fact that I don't actually own this card, still just cool to have something that relates to a 3080. But as I said, this is about as close as I've gotten to a 3080 in this launch, because I have tried with both the release of the 3080 and the release of the 3090 in the last 2 weeks. I have tried on both of those nights, on launch night, to order these cards as soon as they've come online. But unfortunately, it's impossible. As many of you would have experienced, the websites crash, and when they come back up, there's no stock and you can't order. And even if you can get into the site without it crashing and potentially add one of the in-stock cards to your cart, it's impossible to try and check out with the card. So in turn, this empty 380 box is my equivalent of how the 3080 launch has gone for me. So, a bit disappointed, I gotta say, but apparently the demand for these cards has been unprecedented. So they were overly hyped and apparently meant to be the best cards coming out since, well, ever, really. I think it's the most hyped release, and a supposedly biggest jump in performance boost per generational increase ever. So I think that's why these cards have basically entered to non-existence. The computer shop that was lucky, well, the computer shop that gave me the empty box right there said they only got 3 of these cards. And of course they're all pre-sold to people that weren't me before they even got them into their store. So that's basically the way the cookie crumbles. So yeah, there's not really too much more to say on this, I guess. We're all disappointed. I'm definitely feeling it as a small-time tech YouTuber. I would have loved to have the 3080 or 3090, you know, right here on launch day to do an unboxing and do some videos on. As it would make some great content. You guys want to see it, I want to make it, but kind of can't do it without the stuff. So yeah, it's a bit frustrating being a small-time tech YouTuber and having these massive launches happening right around you, but you can't do a thing about it because you can't get your hand on the stuff. And I'm not quite at that point yet where companies are just going to kind of hand me a pre-release reference model or something like that where I can review it and have the review out on launch day, like Linus and Gamers Nexus and Jay's 2 Cents and all those big channels. But yeah, I'm just going to keep persisting. I will get a 3080 and I hope I can get a 3090. I'm not 100% sure. But when I do get these cards, I will be doing unboxings, I will be doing videos on them, I will be comparing them to my 2080 Ti, and I will be putting them in an AMD and an Intel system to see what happens. So I've got lots of stuff I can do with these cards when I get them. I'm just not going to be the first on YouTube with one of these cards, but that is life, and that's the cards I've been dealt. So anyway guys, that's pretty much it for me and my fake or my empty unboxing of the RTX 3080 Air Edition. Yep, that's it. The only one in the world to get the Air Edition of the 3080. It's so light you can't even see it when you open the box. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit like. The YouTube algorithm loves it a lot. Of course, dislike it if you didn't like it as well. And of course, if you want to see more content like this and actual videos regarding the 3080, 3090, 3070 and all the PC tech videos that I can make, hit the subscribe button. There's lots more to come. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next video.